Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tie two flies for pikes. I use a large hook that I got from my fishing buddy. I don't know the exact size, but I would guess it's at least size 0. I start by attaching some red rooster feathers which will form the base of the tail. This is hackle, but you can also use the feathers this way. Then I take 2 grizzly feathers and attach them to each side of the red feather. Pike like it to shine, so I tie in some gold flash. Normally when tying salmon flies, you use a single strand and fold it double on a fly. But when it comes to pike flies, you can tie a small bundle if you want. The more it sparkles, the better. It was not much flash I used, so I tie a bundle of blue angel hair on top of the flash. Now it's starting to look like something. Time to increase the volume on the fly. To increase the volume, I tie a wing of blue goat hair onto the hook. I wind this wing around the middle of the hook. In front of the blue wing, I attach some yellow goat hair. Now I take a couple more feathers from the red rooster. This time I wrap them around the hook like a hackle would be wrapped. I continue to wrap the hackle until I am about 1 centimeter from the hook eye. In front of the hackle, I attach a small wing of black temple dog. The fly is now complete, except for one detail. The last thing I do on the fly is tie 2 large eyes a few millimeters from the hook eye. These large eyes probably look heavy in the video, but I can assure you that they weigh next to nothing. Now the fly is completely finished. For the next fly, I'll use even more flash. I start by attaching a bundle of crystal flash. This is the beginning of the tail. On top of the flash, I attach a black and yellow rooster feather. I don't remember what kind of bird it is. Time for even more sparkling material. In front of the rooster feather, I attach a bundle of blue angel hair. Next, I attach a small bundle of red flash wave and a bundle of tinsel flash called holographic gold. I build up the rest of the fly's body with olive brown polar chenille. This chenille is long-haired, which gives the body a good volume. To finish, I make a small wing on top of the chenille. First, I tie some yellow goat hair and then some black hair on top of the yellow. The black hair is also goat hair. Here are both flies in finished condition. Now all that remains is to find a fly line that can turn over the flies when you cast.